Guess who's back? Boom. Look at what we have here. Package! So, yeah. So, I bought this off of Marketplace. And this is something that I never owned as a kid, but was very sad about because everybody had one and I didn't, so I felt very sad. Sad boy. Anyway, I'm also trying out a new style of editing in this video. So I need you guys to let me know what you think about it, because I know my videos are pretty monotone. I pretty much say the same things all throughout the video. So just let me know, would you? Let's take a look. So this is the first one I will take a look at. Oh, who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Oh my gosh, he's heavy as shit. Who's it gonna be? Who is it? It's Percy! Okay, so this young man over here. This is one of the, I think it's the learning curve battery operated wooden railway engines, isn't it? I think so, yeah. He's not working because he wasn't screwed in properly or something. I don't know what's up with this young man. There we go. Battery. Is he broken? No, he's not. Corrosion in there. That's bad. Ooh. Okay, Mr. Percy McGursey, I need to do some fixies on you. I already see that. But okay. Oh, no, there we go. Yeah, Percy! So I think that Percy's not 100%. This IKEA battery. Get it out of here. Oh, okay, my bad. But because his screw doesn't go in all the way, so he's just able to be offloaded. But look, see, look, he's working. So I always saw videos with people using these guys. There's a certain video that I really enjoyed. I'll put it on screen right here. Right there, yes. That was a very old video, which I really remember from my childhood. I think a crap ton of you guys do as well. But, what about Percy? Now you must wonder, who is this other guy? Well, I'm telling you, it's the second Percy. No, I'm kidding. It's not the second Percy. It's Tim Tom. Woo-hoo! So Tim Tom over here. Look at him. I mean, what is there to say about this young man? He just looks peak. Doesn't work straight out, so I'll have a look. But man, I mean, these Thomas toys are peak. These are peak. I don't care what you say, what you think, or what you do. These Thomas engines are peak. The Thomas seems to be screwed in, which is good. And he doesn't have a battery. All right, well then it's good that I have a fresh one over here. Let me hope we get some power. No corrosion. Looking good. Well, he is sort of working. So what seems to be happening to this young man is you push the button, but it immediately bounces back up. So whilst it's supposed to stay down like Percy's, like that, this one pops straight back up. So, bomber, Fresh Boy Swag reference. I'm going to fix him up, this guy, especially this guy I also need to, but he's fine, he works, which is a good thing. This guy, half. So, yeah. That's peak. Cut to the fixed montage. Okay, so unfortunately I was not able to do much better than I wanted to. But Percy, of course, he works just fine. And Thomas over here, well, you saw what the problem is with Thomas. My solution now is because of this button, because it keeps on getting pressed in. I have a little piece of wood. What are you talking about, me, fam? And I'm gonna snuck it right up in the back of it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Okay. And look, that makes it so that the back two stays pressed in. And then he moves. Without further ado, I think we should do a little race between them. Ha ha ha. Okay. It is time. Gladiator Percy versus Thomas. 3, 2, 1. Let me push you on and go. Oh! You suck. Yay, Percy!
My name is Ander Dingus.
Thomas over here sucks buns. Look at him. Is he really that weak? Him to race back. Then use the other track. Okay, so Thomas go, Percy go. Oh, now they both suck. But based on speed,
You fucking donkey!
absolute buns, bro. Okay, so that was my review on these bastards, and also unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed the new editing style, because I'm sort of experimenting with that right now. So expect maybe some more of it in the future. If I were to grade these items, what would I grade them at? I would say Percy deserves a B+. B+ for this Percy. And for Thomas here, I'll go an A. I'll go an A because Thomas has that white running board, but he can't escape from that. Get his ass, Percy. Oh. Get his ass, Percy. That's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Oh, look at this. Oh no, not again.